In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy the code on Bolt.New. We'll walk through opening your project in Bolt.New, switching to the code view, and copying the code cleanly, using either the right-click menu or a quick text selection. I'll also add a few simple tips to make sure what you copy is exactly what you expect. Start by opening your browser and heading to Bolt.New. Once you're on the Bolt dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Projects. This takes you to a page that lists the workspaces and projects you have access to, which is the easiest place to find what you need. At the top of that page, use the Search for a Project field. Type a few letters of the project name to filter the list, which is especially helpful if you have a lot of projects. When you see the correct project in the results, click it to open. You'll land inside the project workspace. Along the top of the workspace, switch to Code View. This view shows your file tree and the editor area so you can see and interact with the actual source files rather than a preview or design surface. Give the editor a second to load the file you want and make sure your cursor is inside the code area. To copy code using the context menu, place your cursor where you need, or select a portion of the code, then right-click directly in the editor and choose Copy. This method is great when you want to grab a specific block or the contents of the file without switching tools. If you need the entire file, a quick tip is to click inside the editor and press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select everything before you right-click and copy. That helps ensure you don't miss any lines at the top or bottom. Alternatively, you can select and copy manually. Click and drag across the code to highlight exactly what you want. When the selection looks right, use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy, or right-click and choose Copy if you prefer the menu. Both approaches produce the same result, so pick the one that feels most natural. A couple of quick checks help avoid surprises. Confirm you're selecting only the code, not line numbers or UI labels. And after copying, paste into your target editor to verify formatting and indentation look correct. If copy seems unresponsive, click once in the editor to focus it and try again. That's it. You've opened your project, switched to Code View, and copied the code using either the context menu or a direct selection. Thanks for watching and happy coding.